Is your Chrome screen suddenly shifting left or right? Like you open the browser and the whole window is just off, misaligned. Maybe you can even see part of your desktop on one side. It's frustrating, and it completely breaks your flow. Stop struggling with it. Here's how to fix it in under 2 minutes. We're going to disable something called graphics acceleration, update Chrome, and then do a settings reset. 3 simple steps, and your browser will be perfectly centered again. Let's walk through it together. All right, first things first, open up Google Chrome.
Just go ahead and launch it however you normally do. It doesn't matter if it's already misbehaving or not, we're going to fix it from the inside. Now, look up to the very top right corner of the window. You will see 3 little dots stacked vertically. That's your main menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. It will open up a drop-down list. From that list, you want to scroll down and click on Settings. This is where we do most of our heavy lifting. It should open up a new tab on its own. Over on the left-hand side of that Settings tab, you'll see a sidebar with a bunch of options. You want to look for the one that says System. Give that a click. So here's the thing. The most common reason for that screen shifting is your graphics hardware acceleration. It's a feature that's supposed to make things run smoother, but sometimes it causes visual glitches like this. Scroll down the system page until you see the toggle that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Found it? Good. Click that toggle switch so it turns gray. Chrome will then pop up a button asking you to relaunch. Go ahead and click Relaunch. Your browser will close and reopen. Let's see if that alone fixed it. If it did, great. But if it's still misbehaving, we've got 2 more things to do that usually seal the deal. Next, we must update Chrome. Even if you think it's up to date, we are going to force it. Click those 3 dots again, hover over Help, and then click on About Google Chrome. This section doesn't just show you what version you have. It actually automatically checks for and installs any pending updates. Give it a few seconds. You might see a little progress bar. Once it's done, you'll see a button that says Relaunch. Click that to finish the update. Now for the last step. After Chrome reopens, go back into the Settings tab. Over on the left sidebar again, scroll down until you see Reset Settings. Click on that. You will see an option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click on that. A small window will pop up explaining what this does. It's just going to reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It won't delete your bookmarks, history, or saved passwords, so it's safe. Go ahead and click the blue Reset Settings button. That's it. Chrome will do its thing, reload, and your window should now be sitting perfectly centered where it belongs. No more shifting off to the side. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up. And if you run into any other weird browser issues, you know where to find me. Thanks for sticking with me.